Hello everyone and welcome again to another PowerPoint design tutorial. Well, actually on this video I'll not be doing a really PowerPoint design, but I'll be just redesigning an old PowerPoint, this old PowerPoint you see here, and I will make it look like more beautiful, more put together. I will change the fonts, the colors, almost everything. So follow me until the end of this video to see the final look. And also if you want to see how I add animation to the new PowerPoint that you will see of course at the end of this video, just wait for part 2 of this video that I will be posting soon, and I will show you how, like, all the tricks and things you need to know about PowerPoint animation, how to add animation, how to make your PowerPoints look like an After Effects made video. So yeah, let's get started. So as you see here, I opened a new PowerPoint project and I will just try to empty this little thing here. And the first thing I will be doing is to add a shape, and here I'm gonna add a rectangle. So I will draw my big rectangle here. I will go remove the stroke and change the color to something like looks like gray. Let me just check the actually this is the color I want. Great. Now let's move and add a text. So the title here was the dark universe. So actually the PowerPoint presentation is about the dark part of the universe, like dark matter, dark energy. That's why I called it dark universe. I want to change the fonts, the colors, so I'll make it white, I'll make it bigger, and I will try to, right, so I will try to change the font to something like more beautiful. And actually I love this font. I don't know how it's called. Okay, so I love this font a lot and I use it a lot. I will try to align the same here in the center, and here I will just make a duplicate. I will duplicate this little thing and I'll like present it by me, So yeah, I'm gonna change the font of this little guy here, the size and the font. I will make it to something like this, just to, make it a little bit different. I will choose the color to something like pink, but light pink. So I will add this color here. All right. And then that's great. So I'll just add my name and everything is done. So that's my name, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so nice to meet you. Anyway, I will try to put my name like bigger. And all right, so here I was listening to Spotify, don't mind. I will try to make my name a little bit bigger, and I will change the color to something white, and then I will put everything like centered. Wait a minute. Great. I will just try to add this letter here, and yeah, I guess it looks better this way. And then I will select both texts and try to group them together in order to make them align them together to the center, the real center of the slide. So part 2 here, I added this kind of, you will see, kind of clouds, but it's not really clouds. I don't know what what I'm supposed to call it. I actually made a previous video where I designed something, about a poster. Anyway, you're gonna find it link down below on the description box, and I showed you on that video how to design these beautiful things I'm adding here, so you can just go back and check it and save it as a PNG and use it on your PowerPoint. So I will add a copy of these and I will try to add them on the PowerPoint here, make it a little bit smaller, adjust the size, make it look better. I guess it's pretty good this way. So I will go add my next slide, and I want the next slide to be exact copy of this. You will understand why on my next video, where I'll be sharing the animation parts. It's just a little bit of a trick, so just to wait for that video to know more. I thought the clouds here were a little bit too big, so I'm just gonna adjust it and make it centered. All right, great. I think make this a little bit small. This, and then I'm just gonna take, I'm just gonna copy this the same way I'm gonna go to the next slide. I'm gonna delete this, and when I say paste, just like paste the same way, same position, so you don't have to struggle. Nice. So here I will try to add like the main points that my presentation covered, which was basically the components of the universe. So all right, so nice. So the components, why I cannot write this thing? Okay, the components of the universe. Nice. All right. Wait, I'm gonna add a little bit thing here. And then, okay, I think it's better this way. So let's make this thing bigger and change the color. And actually for the color, right, so why it cannot get bigger? Right, so actually for the color I changed it just to be white, and I choose this beautiful, you know, font I just love and just use a lot. I made a copy of the same thing, so that okay, I make the size a little bit smaller, and I'll just like add the parts. So the parts here were like matter, and dark energy, and so yeah. All right. Okay, so wait a minute. All right, so yeah, so here I just like added using percentage. So 4.9% dark. No, it's actually matter, and then 26.8%. Yeah, okay, 6.8% dark matter, and then the rest of the universe is dark energy. That was actually a pretty beautiful presentation I made about 2 years ago. Alright, so dark energy. Now I will try to change a little bit, maybe the color of these little guys here. I will add the pink because I like that color, that pink. And then I will just try to put this to the center. Alright, so I'm gonna here to align and align it to the center. Okay, this way it looks, you know, much more beautiful, I guess. Nice. Now we have like done with these 2 slides. I'm gonna go to the next slide, and the next slide the color will be actually different. And why I made it different, oh okay, it's not here where I change the color. I actually go to format and change the color. So actually why I changed the color, I wanted to make like every main point, which is matter, and dark energy, with a different background color, so that when I'm presenting, the audience will be able to know, okay, so this pink here mean like we're talking about matter, like this the other color, okay, we're at the dark matter part. So it was just like, you know, a little trick to make your presentation look better. Sorry. So here I just copied the same text from my previous PowerPoint slide. I wanted to make this a little bit bigger, of course. And I will try to put it, oh okay, wait a minute, so I will try to put it to the center. I will align it to the center and move it a little bit here, and I will add the title. So okay, I made a copy of this actually because I'm lazy to ever like go and start, you know, I'm too lazy. Alright, so I'll just like made a copy paste here, and for the size I guess okay, for the size I guess I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, about 40 this way. Yeah, it looks better. And here matter, I'm gonna put it to a darker color because it's white, it's not really clear with the, you know, with the pink background. I'm gonna try to put this here together. Okay, and alright, what's wrong? Alright, so I clicked Ctrl Z without being conscious, so I'm gonna redo the same steps again. So here I will be just, you know, selecting both texts, grouping them together, and, you know, align all to the center. So this way I guess it looks more, you know, beautiful. I'm gonna add it a little bit here. Alright, now I'm just gonna go to the old, you know, PowerPoint, and just gonna take these 2 little things here. I actually made a previous video a tutorial on this channel on how like to design this. Okay, so here, what is the problem? On how to design this beautiful pretty earth. You see here, I didn't make how to make that small little thing over there. If you want me to, you know, do a tutorial on how to design this small you know, planet grabbing here, just tell me. So I'll copy these things here and I'm gonna add them here. Okay, and just like make it looks like, you know, a sort of cloud of matter in space, and outer space is not pink. I don't know why did I choose the pink color, but I just thought it would look cute, and especially with the colors I choose for the planets and everything. So let's just make it cuter, and that's all. Alright, I'm just gonna adjust the sizes of all these, maybe a little bit here. And here I'm trying to insert my meteor, so this little thing you see here. So I actually made a whole video on my channel explaining how to design this beautiful thing you see here, so go check it out. I will just put everything on the description. Well, let's try to figure out a place where to put this little guy. So I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller, this a little bit smaller too, and this one here. So actually the material you see here will be moving later on, so I'll just put it here randomly, and then on the part 2 of this video I'll be showing you how, you know, to add animation to these things, to make them move, to make them just like as if you're in the outer space. Alright, so alright, I'm just adjust the size, and I guess everything is good. Okay, we'll add some touches here. Yeah, I need to make this a little bit, you know, up. I guess it's much better. So yeah, now I will try to insert another background. So the part 2 here was the dark matter. So for the dark matter, I will actually try, I added copied the text here I used before to don't write everything from scratch. I copied also the same background, but I will change the color just to say, hey, it's the same idea, like same PowerPoint, but here we are a different idea, which is not matter anymore, it's just like dark matter. So I choose this color, which is like, you know, the pink that is a little bit darker. I'm gonna copy the text because it's almost the same, just change the, you know, I'll just say dark matter and change the percentage here. So actually I guess it's 26.8%. So I will add this and make this darker, and these two, alright, wait a minute, 26.8%. Great. And I will make the color to something else. Okay, wait a minute. I chose this color. Alright. Okay. Nice. I guess this way it's, you know, it's clear for the person like to read it. I'll just add also this small cloud you see here. Okay, actually, wait a minute, I'm just gonna change maybe a little bit the color to make it looks, you know, lighter, because dark with a dark pink is not a good idea. So I'll just here play with the things you see here, you know, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just like trying a bunch of things to see which colors looks best for the presentation. I'll add many clouds here. I'll put about 5 to 6 clouds. So yeah, I'll just add different clouds and different sizes. The most important thing they look light, and later on I will why I add them is because later on when I want to add the animation part, I'll just make these things here move, so make it like looks like, you know, more beautiful and more, you know. So here I want to make the text above all the things so that the text would be clearer. Okay, nice. So all Alright, I guess this way it's better. I think I'm just gonna add another slide, and the two slides I'll be adding here is approximately like related to dark matter, so I will just keep the same background. So you know, this is the idea. So here I actually have two pictures to add of two lovely people. Okay, so the one here of Squeaky, this mad scientist, I don't know, I think it just looks cute this way. And the second of Vera Rubin, I actually made the whole tutorial on how I transformed the original pictures of these two scientists into what you see here, so you can go and check it. I will add, so I added the text, and here also I did a copy paste because I don't want to write down the same things again and again, just adjust the sizes and everything. And here, okay, here I just came back here. I thought maybe I'll make this a little bit lighter. I don't know if I make them lighter or darker, but anyway, I think if I move this to that part, it will just look, you know, more beautiful. And alright, I guess now we're left with one more slide. And here, alright, I'm gonna copy the background. Just, you know, just for the rectangle, because I will change the color background here. I wanted to make it a little bit of a different color. I don't know. Something like, wait a minute, something like this. Yeah, I guess it's like more, it's not, I didn't want it to add the black because it's not really, you know, put together. It's not really beautiful with the other previous slides of the PowerPoint. But anyway, I added the text, I added the title, the same clouds as the main, you know, the first slide ever. I'll just change the color here to something better. So here I'm gonna make it white. I will change this color to something like this. Alright, so actually here when I was editing, I forgot to change the percentage of this thing, so just pretend as if it was something else and not this. Thank you very much. And here I was just like trying to adjust the colors of the clouds, the size, make it bigger, make it better. Alright, and now let's see the final result of like the slides here all put together. Okay, I'll just add a little bit of touches, and now let's move and see this beautiful thing here. So here is it, ladies and gentlemen. Wait for the part 2 of this video. I'll be showing you how to make all these beautiful things here move and looks like, you know, beautiful.